Welcome back to the channel. This is Grady McDonald's less dominant foot. The space the surrounding players provided and the angle the defender's approach allowed for this moment. He mastered dragging the ball to a release at the top of the box. This is the result of training. Grady, absolutely brilliant.
As the defender approaches from Grady's right, he squares up his body to his opponent to hide the space on his left. This is dragging the ball. Using a shift of his hips, he produces a change of pace and direction to create space. If he's able to punch the ball 3 steps away in distance, he knows he can strike this ball.